Hey, welcome back. Today's gonna be a shorter video, I hope. I don't know that it will be because I'm pretty long-winded, but this is a plow that I built 2 years ago. From here forward, I love it. I don't know if you can see right here though, I mangled that pretty good. I have never been happy with this joint that I built. So today we're gonna really quick, because I need to go use this today. I wanna come off this point of the the hitch, and come back with a V, and I want to make a new pin spot or hinging point back here, almost 3-4 inches front of the center line of the axle. That'll give me more clearance up front. This piece is always drug anytime I load it up, and then as you can see, my hinge point's so narrow that there's too much pressure on it to bend. So if I can widen that up to about a foot or 16 inches wide, it'll handle the pressure a lot better, and then I won't have as much sway. So anyways, we're gonna do this as fast as I can because I would like to be plowing up into our cabin in 2 hours. So thanks for coming along and hope you enjoy this one. Let's see, the bends here and there is nicely reinforced, but it just can't handle a 62-inch plow, I suppose. So this is goofy looking, I know. It's all the material that I had sitting around that wasn't being used for anything else, and it's what I could put together in about 35 minutes. So I've welded all this together. I've raised it up a little bit, and then I wanted the hinge point originally back here, but that didn't work out. So it's about 3 inches further back than it was. So I'm gonna weld this up and then I gotta go. Sorry for the short video, but it'll be a quick one that maybe get 1 million views or 6 million views. I don't know, something huge like that probably. So anyways, I'll weld this up real quick right in front of you and go do some plowing. I would like the plow to go a little higher than it does, but that's what I get for now. I'll probably modify that hinge a little bit later on. Let's scoot you back and see how far I can hinge it over to. Oh, that's actually way better right there than it was before. My hinge point was too close, and so when I'd hinge it all the way over, that was actually below the rest of the razor, and it'd actually drag that corner right there. So that's better. Altogether, it's a lot tighter. I mean, it's inherently going to be loose because it's going into a receiver hitch, but that's the way I want it, so I'm going to have to just deal with that looseness right there. Before, it swayed back and forth about 2 feet. So, anywho, thanks for watching.